I often speak to people who say that they love to run a marathon, but they just don't have the time. And all I can really say to that is, who does have the time? I mean, we all lead busy lives. We all want to spend more time with our family, with our friends, working on our passions and hobbies, and advancing our careers. I don't have time to train is your biggest obstacle to running a marathon. The truth is that you don't have to put your life on hold. You can effectively prepare for a full marathon with only 2 to 3 hours of training per week, and you will finish in a very reasonable time. If you're moderate fitness, you can come in well under the 4 hours. When I was training for the Ironman, I was still working 12-hour days on my business and maintaining a social life in addition to my training schedule. This course is designed for entrepreneurs, employees, and busy people, which is basically everyone. And all I can really say is don't let the illusion of time hold you back from achieving your goals and your dreams. You can do it, and I'm here to help you do it every step of the way.